Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently uninstall Discord. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the task manager, and once you are in the task manager you have to expand it simply. Then you have to search for the Discord in the search menu, and once you are in the Discord, if you found anything related to Discord, you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the end task. After that you have to close this window, then you have to go to the start button again, then you have to search for the settings option again. Then when you are in the settings option, you have to go to the apps option of here, then you have to click on the installed apps, then you have to search for the Discord here in the search apps option. From here, if you click on the search for the Discord app, you will get it. Then you have to simply click on the three dot, then you have to click on the uninstall. After that you have to click on the start button again, then you have to search for the run. Then once you click on the run, then you have to type in percentage app data percentage, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to find out the Discord file, then you have to here you can see the Discord file, you have to simply right click on it, then you have to click on the trash. After that you have to click on the app data from the top navigation address bar, then you have to click on the local. After that you have to click on the Discord, then you have to simply right click on it, then you have to click on delete option. After that it will simply uninstall your Discord app permanently from your device. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.